actually, we were one of the first ones to start lawsuits against the rideshare programs before because they weren't doing criminal checks on their drivers previously. Yes.
Wow.
I know.
Terrible.
The whole $75 or whatever it is to get a criminal check. So now they're doing criminal checks, and with the pins and with the securities systems, it's hard to sort of pin this on a rideshare program if they're putting all the things in place and people are just not going. You're very rarely suing the assailant because the assailant usually has no money and has nothing. So like, let's say you wanted to sue Uber, you have to prove Uber didn't take any reasonable steps. But if Uber is doing criminal checks and putting all these security things into place, it's really hard to hold them responsible. Same with the public transportation companies. As long as they're they have the emergency buttons, they have ways for people to do it.
Really?
You only have to take reasonable steps. You don't have to be perfect. You have to be reasonable. You can't reasonably check every single person that comes on the bus. Like, you couldn't do it. But the transit companies that have put certain security measures in place, have put the emergency buttons, had the designated. I mean, this is all in response to what's going on. So if they're taking reasonable precautions, that's all they can do.